Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akaradash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. This is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out with the scriptures and the news article as well, too, I'm about to bring out. This is the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 9. Proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war. I think so. No, I don't think so, no. Right. Right. Yeah, it might be some in that laundry room in there. Right. Yeah, I think a lot of them, some of them might probably be in the laundry room. Oh, you did? Yeah, I think most of the old clothes that we had, so that I think we took like mostly got rid of most of those away. I think. Yeah. This is the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 9. Proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war. Wake up the mighty men, let all the men of war draw near. It's Joel 3, verse 10. It says, beat your plowshares and the swords and the pruning hooks and the spears, and let the weak say, I'm strong. And this is a, hold on. Thought I had that news article. Salakia. Look at it again. Apology for that. Oh, here go the article. Salaki for the momentary delay. This is a news article from politico.com.eu. And it reads, it says, Greek ship hit by missiles as Houthis ramp up Red Sea attacks. It says 24 cruise members are safe following the strike. You're right, especially the rise in tension that's taking place over there in the Red Sea. But you got the Houthi rebels, which is an Iranian-backed group, continue using airstrikes. That's anybody that's affiliated with the coalition of the United States and Britain and the Israeli Defense Force as well too. As the Houthi rebels ramping up their attacks over there in the Red Sea, as tensions are rising between both sides. Keep that in mind as well too. It says Greek ship hit by missile as Houthis ramp up Red Sea attacks. And this was published January 16, 2024 at 4:29 p.m. CET time, published by Gabriel Gavin from politico.eu. It says a Greek-owned Maltese flag cargo ship was reportedly hit by a rocket as it sailed close to the coastal of Yemen, mending a sharp uptick in attempt strikes on civilian vessels in the Red Sea by the Iranian-backed Houthi rebels. The UK Maritime Trade Operation Headquarters confirmed Tuesday that it had received reports of a potential attack around 100 nautical miles from the Gulf nations. Joel 3 verse 10, beat your plowshares and swords and pony hooks at the spears and let the keep say I'm strong. Joel 3 verse 9, proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war, wake up the mighty men, let all the men of war draw near, let them come up. Right, and that's what we're seeing over there in Western Asia and the Red Sea as well too, as the Iranian-backed Houthi groups using targeting vessels over there that's affiliated with the United States and the coalitions of nations as well too, as the tensions are rising between the both sides. So it's heating up over there in the Red Sea. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from politico.edu as of January February 16, 2024. And it says, once again, Greek ship hit by missile as Houthis ramps up Red Sea attacks. So with that, I'd like to give all praises for glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.